everyone, welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. In this video of the training series, we are diving into the head and shoulders formation. We also have our inverse head and shoulders or inverse H&S formation. We will discuss this in the next video of our training series. Let me briefly talk to you about the head and shoulders and inverse head and shoulders formations. Now this formation resembles a human figure with the head and shoulders representing a person's head and shoulders. You can think of it like that. When the formation occurs to the depth of the head and a breakout happens, the target becomes equal to the depth of the head. The same applies to the inverse head and shoulders. Let's show it live, right here. Now when you go to the TradingView website, there are parameters available here. From here, in the parameters section, we can take the head and shoulders formation and we can draw it ourselves like this. Friends, although it hasn't happened yet, it could potentially form a head and shoulders pattern. If we consider this as the left shoulder and think about what kind of body would form here, friends, if a right shoulder were to form here, it would actually look better like this. Yes, let's assume that we have a head and shoulders formation like this. Now if friends proceed like this, and if Bitcoin does this, then we have seen it come down like this from here. So what does this tell us? These green and red candles came in just like this, friends. Now in this case, the depth of the head here is referred to as the head depth, just as you see the depth of the head here. When the formation breaks in a certain direction, meaning when there is a breakout below the support area in the lower region, and after one or two candles close here, it indicates that the direction is downwards, my friends. And the head and shoulders formation usually occurs with a downward breakout. We can say that its target is also 45,000. If we draw it this way in this area, we can easily see that there were previous supports. As you can see, it has reversed many times. Or previous peaks. Friends have turned back from here before. We can see that it might bounce back. From this area, friends, the support will decline until it reaches a lower support level. But if it doesn't turn this way and goes up from here, friends, we do not enter trades in this area. The moment it breaks and passes through the region around the left shoulder and right shoulder and closes one or two candles here, we can say that the direction is upwards. However, in general, the direction of the head and shoulders formation is determined as a downward breakout. Here, we can say that its target is 62,000, as we can easily see that this was a previous resistance, as you saw earlier. 1. It has tried this place many times, and it seems like it will try this place again. Of course, if this formation occurs, it could go this way, but we are saying it would be this way. The head and shoulders formation looks like this, friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, you can ask them below. Thank you all. In the next video, we will talk about the inverse head and shoulders. This is actually a formation, friends. We have a very nice formation like this. Let's talk about these as well. See you soon.